A very good afternoon. Namaskar to one and all present here. I'm Krishna Sakya, faculty member of Department of Mathematics, the Assam Kazira University. Extend my heartfelt greetings and a very warm welcome to the valedictory session of this 3 days international webinar on fundamental mathematics organized by the Department of Mathematics, the Assam Kazira University. It is rightly said that leadership and learning are indispensable with each other. And the beautiful thing about learning is nobody can take it away from you. It has been an exciting journey of 3 days, which has acquainted us with the various aspects of mathematics. Now, I would like to request Dr. Jayendra Kumar Samba sir, Dean of School of Basic Sciences, Assam Kazira University, who has been giving tremendous guidance throughout this event to share his valuable words. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Krishna. At the outset, I take extreme privilege to welcome the Registrar of the University, the Dean School of Engineering and Technology, esteemed speakers, faculty colleagues, and dear student participants to the valedictory session of the 3 days international webinar on fundamental mathematics. I believe the COVID-19 pandemic has given us the opportunity to interact with students across the globe and to dissipate the knowledge of science and mathematics in particular with respect to the webinar which you have hosted. Through the conduction of webinars, to my opinion, maybe not all the webinars which were conducted in the recent times, but some of them were highly successful in terms of the quality of lectures delivered and the programs that was conducted. I personally attended few of the webinars. I felt and I found it to be highly beneficial for me. Considering this, I think this second version of the international webinar conducted by the Department of Mathematics in the School of Basic Sciences, Kaziranga University, to my opinion, that it has become a platform now for young minds to interact and learn mathematics. And I believe the association of all the student participants, including the esteemed speakers with Kaziranga University in last 3 days has been highly fruitful. I congratulate the organizers, Department of Mathematics, and the resource persons and the student participants for making this program a successful one. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable words. Now, I would like to request Professor Diganda Munshi, sir, Registrar of the Assam Kaziranga University, to enlighten us with his kind words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Krishna. Very good afternoon to Dr. P.G. Ramesh, Dean School of Engineering and Technology, Dr. Jayanta Sharma, Dean School of Basic Science, my faculty members, Department of Mathematics, and other faculties from other schools and departments of the university, participating students across the country and globe, and eminent speakers who had taken out their time to make this international seminar on fundamental mathematics a successful event. A very pertinent issue on which the international seminar was conducted, that is how mathematics can be understood in a very simple way. How mathematics, which is so important in the field of science, in the field of engineering technology, in the field of management, in any domain, wherever we live in, we find that mathematics plays a very predominant role. We all use mathematics in our day-to-day life, whether it is in the simplest form or whether in a complex form. We go to a shopping mall, we count things. We count on the items that are available on the shelf, we count the money that we have with us, we count the time that it is left with us. So every point we find that we are into the domain of mathematics. But mathematics, when it's being taught inside a classroom by a teacher with big equations, creates a difficulty at times for us to conceive that how those letters, those alphabets, those symbols are indicating towards some way of making things understandable. In this particular seminar, I understand that it has been dealt with in a very lucid and simple way, because I could get the information that there was an overwhelming response of participants from more than 30 countries, for more than 2,000 participants in 3 days program. Therefore, it can be concluded in a simple way that still there is an urge amongst the takers that to understand how mathematics can be learned in a simple way. And definitely it has been dealt in that particular manner, and therefore it is a grand success. And therefore I congratulate to the Department of Mathematics for making it success for the second consecutive year. I convey my deep regards to Professor Bhavo Sharma sir for taking out his time for this program. I convey my regards to Dr. Diganto Boda and also to Dr. Neelam Saikia, because it is through their effort, it is through their hard work over the last 3 days that we could make it a grand success. We hope that this pandemic gets over very soon, and like in the previous year, we will once again be able to conduct the program on a physical mode. I thank everybody. I thank specifically the Department of Mathematics for making it a grand success. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. It is always a delight to listen to you, sir. And as sir said, we do use mathematics in our day-to-day life. Now, moving on, I would like to request Professor P.G. Ramesh, sir, Dean of School of Engineering and Technology, the Assam Kaziranga University, to share some words with us. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Krishna. Professor Diganto Munshi, Registrar, the Assam Kaziranga University. Professor Jayanta Kumar Sharma, Dean, School of Basic Sciences. Dr. Dimple Mahanta of the Mathematics Department, and also the convener of today's this program, the webinar. Distinguished speakers who have delivered excellent lectures during this webinar, and who have really brought the charm that this webinar is known for the year after year. And also all the dear participants and my faculty colleagues, a very good afternoon to all of you. As it was brought out by the previous speakers, the vastness or the enormousness of this whole enormity of this whole webinar has been really impressive. The number of participants taking part in this event across the globe, I think over 30 countries, is something very remarkable. As I have seen such large participation only in some very reputed international events, such as the webinars conducted by the Harvard Business and such other webinars, you find participation of this order. But I think 1,500 to 2,000 is even beating that. So I think going forward, this webinar, which is growing from strength to strength year after year, can actually be a brand by itself. So I think that the organizers would take it forward from the next year onwards as a branded webinar, of annual webinar, an international webinar. As you know, a lot of there's a very famous mathematician has said that mathematics is queen of sciences. Now, you know, it is indeed so, as Professor Munshi was just mentioning some time back, that mathematics is used in almost every walk of our lives. I think we live on a platform of mathematics, right? So it's nothing can be done with any kind of specificity without mathematics. And going further, it also brings a certain discipline to our thought process. Mathematics brings a discipline, and the being very familiar with the fundamentals, being clear about the concepts of why and how we do things, literally puts us into that correct framework of mind, which is very much needed in a scientific, in all our scientific pursuits. Even when we go for an engineering project, it is only after it is, you know, proven mathematically on paper that we proceed to implement any project or manufacture anything, any product. So that's speaks for the importance of this subject and the relevance of this webinar. I think in spite of having this against this background of that we realize its importance, we know its relevance and all that, still we can see that, you know, there are students, there are researchers who tend to shy away from mathematics for the fear of it, or probably some kind of you know, hesitancy as far as maths is concerned. Now, this is something which needs you know, to be investigated, and I think obviously the obvious reasons are, some of them are related to how mathematics is presented to the students, how mathematics is even taken on by researchers. I have seen researchers, some of them, who try to take the easier path by, you know, leaving out the mathematical components in their research, which is not doing justice to the research as such, and which should not be so. So this webinar has, you know, been a major step towards dispelling that myth that mathematics is difficult. It has been a major step towards taking mathematics to almost every person. In fact, I was there in the last batch, as Professor Munshi was saying. There was a lot of physical presence also in the last time webinar. You could really see how a lot of our students who probably were not so inclined towards mathematics after this webinar were, you know, having a change of mind, and they thought, yes, mathematics after all is not a difficult or not a bad subject. So that's the kind of impression that they carried after this. So this webinar has done a great service in that direction. I wish the organizers, the School of Basic Sciences, who's done a splendid job with the Department of Mathematics, to continue this in the years to come and grow into a very important major event that the world will look forward to. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your unique perspective on this webinar. Now, I would like to request a person who has been the convener of this event and has taken the initiatives, Dr. Dimple Jyoti Mohanto, Head of the Department of Mathematics, the Assam Kaziranga University, and also the coordinator of this webinar, to deliver the vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Trishna. Good evening to all of you. Respected Registrar, Assam Kaziranga University, Professor Diganta Munshi sir. Respected Dean, School of Basic Sciences, Professor Jayanta Kumar Sharma sir. Respected Dean, School of Engineering and Technology, Professor P.G. Ramesh sir. Dear faculty colleagues and my dear participants. Before concluding this event, on behalf of the entire Kaziranga University, I feel very privileged to give a vote of thanks on this occasion. First of all, I would like to thank all the participants for your kind cooperation and help to make this event a great successful one. Initially, it was just a dream to get support of almost 2,250 participants from 35 different countries in a very short period of time. Thank you once again for turning it into a reality. I'd also like to thank the Assam Kaziranga University for giving us the opportunity to host this international event. A special thank to Professor Babakumar Sharma sir, Professor of IIT Guwahati, for your prestigious time and beautiful words during the inaugural session. I'd also like to thank Professor Bhavo sir, Dr. Diganta Bara, and Dr. Nilam Saikia for your energetic, very informative, and extremely valuable sessions. You are the actual soul of the entire webinar. A wholehearted thanks to all of you. I'd like to thank Dr. Diganta Munshi sir, registered Assam Kaziranga University, for your prestigious time and beautiful words during the inaugural as well as the valedictory sessions. I'd like to thank Professor Jayanta Kumar Sharma sir, Dean School of Basic Sciences, for your constant guidance and support to make this event a successful one. Without you, sir, it is not possible for us to organize an event like this. Thank you so much, sir. I'd like to thank Professor P.G. Ramesh sir, Dean School of Engineering and Technology, the Assam Kaziranga University, for your prestigious time and beautiful, very beautiful words during these valedictory sessions. I'd like to thank a very special thank basically for the members of the Department of Mathematics, the Assam Kaziranga University, Dr. Biju Kumar Datta, Dr. Sarfaraz Ahmed, Ms. Trishna Saikia, dear students and all the alumni of the Department of Mathematics. This successful event is the reflection of your constant support and dedications only. I'd like to thank all the members of School of Basic Sciences, the Assam Kaziranga University, for your advices and suggestions from all the directions. I'd like to thank Porosda and team, Mona Lisa, Rosmiba, and all the persons associated with this event for your support during the international webinar. And finally, I would like to thank my wife, Dr. Pallavi Saikia, for your constant support during the entire period. With this, I would like to conclude the vote of thanks. Thank you. Thank you all once again. Over to you, Trishna.
Thank you, sir. Finally, I would be failing in my duty if I would not thank the people who helped us in putting together this great event. I would like to begin by thanking Professor Diganta Munshi sir, the Registrar of Assam Kaziranga University, who has helped us in planning and organizing this event. He has constantly encouraged us to focus on identifying new opportunities and organizing innovative events, even in the midst of pandemic. It is my honor to thank Professor P.G. Ramesh sir, Dean of School of Engineering and Technology, the Assam Kaziranga University, for his kind gesture and gracing this valedictory session. I would also like to show my gratitude to Dr. Jayanta Kumar Sharma sir, Dean School of Basic Sciences, Assam Kaziranga University, for his guidance and support, which was valuable in terms of this webinar. A special and heartfelt thanks to Dr. Dimple Jyoti Monto, Head of the Department of Mathematics, the Assam Kaziranga University, for leading from the front, managing and monitoring each and every component of this event and to make it is a grand success. We are indebted to all the speakers for delivering the informative as well as thought-provoking lectures. A sincere thanks to all the members of the organizing team, Dr. Biju Kumar Datta, Associate Dean, School of Basic Sciences, Assam Kaziranga University, Dr. Sarfaraz Ahmed, Sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, and all the other faculty members of School of Basic Sciences. An event can be successful if it has motivated and passionate participants. And we have been very fortunate in this regard. We have got a phenomenal response over more than 2,000 participants across 35 countries of the world. So based on the responses we have got this year, we are so inspired that we will soon organize more such events in the near future. And we look forward to engaging with you all very soon. Thank you all. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you so much, sir.